Hi there, I'm Mikki Ramey, broker and owner of Healthy Realty. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 reasons why homeowners decide to sell. Keep watching to learn more. The number 1 reason people decide to move are for life changes. People grow their families and need bigger homes. They decide to downsize when they're empty nesters. They get job relocations and have to relocate to another city. So life changes are one of the biggest reasons that homeowners decide to move. So another reason homeowners decide to sell are for home maintenance reasons. Homes require maintenance, and some of those maintenance items are very expensive. If a roof needs to be replaced, if an HVAC needs to be replaced, some homeowners decide to sell and get money out of the house rather than paying money into maintaining those big ticket items. Getting cash out of your home is a great reason to sell. Many of my homeowners say, let's sell this house so I can buy my next house, get cash out of this one to purchase my next primary home. Some are selling one to buy an investment property, and some are selling to get cash out to pay down debt. All great reasons to sell. If you've thought of selling your home this year, please reach out to me. I'd love to give you a free home valuation. If you have any questions about the buying or selling process, please reach out to me and my real estate team. We would love to help. Have a great day.